There's a moment in a woman's life that no one prepares her for. It's not when she loses people loudly, but when she realizes quietly that no one is really standing with her anymore. She is still surrounded by faces, still answering messages, still doing what she has to do. But deep inside, she knows that if her life collapses tonight, she will be the one cleaning the mess alone. That realization doesn't come with drama, it comes with silence. She didn't become alone in one day, it happened slowly. A friend stopped calling, a relationship stopped trying, family started expecting her to handle it because she always did. And without anyone saying it directly, a role was assigned to her, the strong one, the understanding one, the one who doesn't need much. At first, she accepted it. Then it started hurting. Not because people left, but because no one noticed how heavy everything had become. She kept showing up, kept helping, kept listening, while her own voice slowly disappeared. And one night, when the house was quiet and her thoughts were loud, she finally admitted something she had been avoiding for years. She was exhausted. That night, she didn't pray the way people expect prayers to sound. There were no long words, no confidence, no strength left to perform. She just said, "God, I don't know how to carry this anymore. I have no one left to lean on." Nothing changed instantly. No miracle happened, but something inside her stopped resisting. For the first time, she didn't try to be strong. She allowed herself to be honest. And that honesty became the turning point. In the days that followed, life didn't get easier, but it became clearer. She started noticing patterns she had ignored before. How much of her worth depended on being needed. How often she stayed silent to keep peace. How deeply she feared being alone, even if it meant losing herself. God didn't remove the pain immediately. Instead, He removed the distractions. The constant noise of other people's expectations slowly faded. And in that quiet space, she began to hear her own thoughts again. That's when she realized the real problem was never loneliness, it was dependence. She had built her identity around being useful, available, and agreeable. When people no longer needed her, she felt invisible, as if her value had expired. So God did something uncomfortable. He allowed her to stand alone. Not to punish her, but to teach her something she could never learn while leaning on others. Strength. Not the loud kind, the quiet kind that doesn't beg for reassurance. She learned to sit with herself without reaching for her phone, to make decisions without asking for permission, to say no without explaining. At first, it felt wrong, then it felt freeing. Pain became her teacher. Every lonely moment showed her how capable she actually was. Every silent day proved that she could survive without constant validation. Slowly, she stopped asking, "Why did this happen to me?" and started asking, "Who am I becoming because of this?" And the answer surprised her. She wasn't becoming bitter. She wasn't becoming cold. She was becoming grounded. She started trusting God in a deeper way, not because she had no other option, but because she finally understood that relying on people for stability had always been fragile. God wasn't replacing anyone, He was rebuilding her foundation. Over time, her energy changed. She stopped chasing people who didn't choose her, stopped overgiving, stopped proving her worth, and something interesting happened. Her peace returned before her circumstances improved. She wasn't lonely anymore, even when she was alone. She understood something powerful. Isolation is not always a delay. Sometimes it's protection. Sometimes God separates you so you can finally hear what has been true all along.
When life tested her again, she didn't fall apart the way she used to. She didn't panic. She didn't collapse. Because now she knew that even if everyone walked away, she was not empty. She had faith. Not blind faith, tested faith. The kind built in silence, shaped by disappointment, strengthened by survival. And when people eventually noticed her again, she was different. Not desperate for connection, not afraid of distance. She welcomed people, but she no longer needed them to feel whole. Because when a woman reaches the point where she has no one but God, she doesn't lose everything. She loses illusions. And in their place, she gains clarity, strength, and self-respect. She doesn't break, she transforms. Sometimes God removes people not because you are weak, but because you are ready to stand on your own. Have you ever felt completely alone, like no one really understood your pain? Share your story in the comments. I want to hear you. If this story touched your heart, hit like to honor that silent strength. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to join our journey of hope, courage, and transformation. Together, we rise even in silence.